Welcome to WillGeo. Let's see how to manually add time clock entries in reports. Click on Reports. Click on Edit Reports. Under the Edit Time Clock tab, click on Add New Record. Select the name of the employee for whom you want to add the manual time clock entry. Select the stage you want to add from the drop-down menu. Select the date by clicking on calendar icon. Select the time by clicking on clock icon, or you can manually type in the time. You can select a job site from the sites available in the drop-down menu. Same way, you can select task if required. Add notes in Manager Notes for reference. Please note it is compulsory to add manager notes. Once you've entered all the details, click on Save Selected. Click on Refresh to view the newly added time clock entry. You can see the manually added time clock entry in the reports. Thanks for watching the video.